Hey, it's Uros Markovic here, Calgary and area Realtor. If you're looking for a home with a versatile lifestyle, with real space and walkable transit access, this one is worth a closer look. We are in Varsity Estate Village, one of those northwest Calgary pockets that makes everything feel so much easier. We are close to parks and pathways, minutes away from University of Calgary and major hospitals, and the best part is we are walking distance from Dalhousie LRT. This is a game changer for commuters, students and anyone looking for reliable public transport. Now, let me take you to the unit. This is an end-unit townhome with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, and it has been thoughtfully improved to fit modern life. As you walk in, the main level feels bright and clean, with refreshed flooring, paint, trim and lighting. The kitchen is practical and polished with stainless steel appliances and updated finishes. A space that works whether you're making a quick breakfast before work or hosting friends for dinner. And right here is one of my favorite features, a wood-burning fireplace. It is not just a detail, it changes the feel of the whole home. Calgary's winters hit differently when you got a real fire going. Upstairs you got 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, comfortable, functional and perfect for everyday living. But what makes this unit stand out is the lower level. The basement was redesigned to create potential for 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom with a stand-up shower and a separate rec area. Outside you will love the yard, a quiet spot for coffee in the morning, downtime after work or summer evenings with friends. You have got 1 assigned outdoor parking stall plus convenient street parking. So if you want varsity convenience, transit access, strong amenities and a home that actually gives you space to grow into, this is a great fit. If you would like full details or want to book a private showing, just send me a message and I'll make it easy.